All right, let's dive in. If you're a business owner, you already know your online reputation is a huge deal. And let's be honest, a huge time suck. We're going to look at a service today called BlueDot Reviews that's all about automating that whole process. So let's see what it's all about.
So, let me ask you something. Does it ever feel like online reviews are the ones calling the shots? Like they're running your business instead of the other way around? It's this constant pressure, isn't it? Trying to keep up with every comment on Google, on Facebook, just everywhere.
And look, we all get it. Those reviews are absolutely vital. A bunch of 5-star ratings, that's gold. It brings in new customers like crazy. But the actual management part, chasing down happy customers, trying to respond to every single comment, and just that constant dread of a bad review popping up, it is a massive headache.
Okay, so this is exactly where BlueDot Reviews steps in. The whole idea is to take that stressful manual process and turn it into something that actually works for you automatically.
So what is it, really? Well, at its core, BlueDot uses AI and automation to help you get more customers organically. And we're not talking about fake reviews or anything like that. This is all about having a system to collect real reviews and then using them to get seen more online.
Which brings us to the big question, right? How do you actually get more of those good reviews in the first place? Because you can't just cross your fingers and hope they show up. You need a real system.
And here's their first really clever idea, the BlueDot Review cards. These are actual physical cards. They've got an NFC chip, for tapping your phone, and a good old-fashioned QR code. So you just hand one to a happy customer, they tap or scan, and boom, they're right on your review page. It takes away all the hassle. It makes it super easy for them to leave that great review.
Okay, but wait. If you start handing these out to everyone, that opens up a pretty scary thought, right? What if an unhappy customer gets one? Aren't you just making it easier for them to blast you with a 1-star review?
That's exactly what the Review Shield is for. Think of it like a safety net for your reputation. The whole point is to catch that potentially negative feedback before it ever goes public. It gives you a chance to handle things privately first.
And here's how it works. It's actually pretty simple. 1, the customer scans the card. 2, a little feedback form pops up. Now, if they say something positive, it guides them right over to Google or Facebook. But, and this is the key part, if the feedback is negative, it gets sent straight to you, privately. So a potential public disaster becomes a private chance to make things right. Pretty smart.
All right, so collecting reviews is one thing, but BlueDot also brings in the heavy artillery to actually manage them. Let's talk about the AI assistant that does all the hard work for you.
So what's this AI actually doing? Well, for starters, it writes unique, friendly replies to every single review. That's a huge plus for Google's algorithm. It also sprinkles in important SEO keywords to help you show up higher in searches. And it even takes your best reviews and automatically turns them into posts for your social media and your Google business profile. It's doing a lot. And we're not talking about some generic, "thanks for the review" reply. No way. The AI is smart enough to weave in your business name, your location, and even keywords for your specific industry right into the response. That little detail, it's a huge deal for boosting your local search ranking.
Okay, so what do you actually get for your money? Let's look at what's in the box. This is the whole toolkit.
So, every month your subscription gets you the whole package. You get a BlueDot card to start with. You get that Review Shield to filter out the bad feedback. You get the AI writing all your responses, and you get the automated posts for social media and your Google business profile. It's the whole shebang. And the price for all of this? It's 350 Rand a month. And here's something you'll love. It's super flexible. There are no scary long-term contracts. You can cancel anytime. You even get to keep the card. That makes it a pretty low-risk way to see if it's a good fit for your business.
Okay, so how do you get started? Let's talk about the setup, which is meant to be really simple and totally secure. So for all the automation to actually work, the system needs a little bit of access. We're talking manager access for your Google business profile and editor access for Facebook and Instagram. And there's a good reason for this. It's how the AI can post those review responses and share your best reviews for you.
Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds cool, but I'm just starting out. I don't even have a Google business profile, right?
Well, that's totally fine. The folks at BlueDot can actually walk you through setting one up from scratch. So it doesn't matter if you're already a pro online or if you're just getting your feet wet, they can help. So when you boil it all down, this whole thing is about creating one smooth, automated loop for your reputation. From getting the feedback, to the AI responding, to showing off your best reviews online.
So I'll leave you with this one thought. Just think about it. How many hours every single month are you sinking into managing your online reviews? And more importantly, what could you do with all that time if you got it back?